I get asked my opinion on this topic just about every single day. Will AI replace human writers? Now, I'm a writer, but I'm going to keep it real with my answer today. Let's get into it. But first, in case you don't know me, I'm Apryl Beverly, the $1 Million Word Stylist turned AI SaaS founder who launched the world's first culturally smart AI-powered copywriting software named Pro. That's Pitch, Respond, Offer. I affectionately named our AI-powered copywriter Apryl, that's AIPRO. While my agency has helped business owners generate more than $3 billion in revenue, yes, I said $3 billion, from compelling copy written by humans, I decided to kick my keyboard to the curb and focus all my attention on making AI work for us, brands that cater to diverse, multicultural audiences. Now today, I'm about to go all in on this question, can machines really replace human writers? Plus, we'll discuss how AI can help create SEO-friendly content that ranks higher on search engines. Let's get into it. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that can mimic human intelligence. It's been making waves in various industries, including copywriting and creative writing. But can it really replace human creativity? Let's break that down. AI copywriters like Apryl can generate content quickly, saving you time and effort. They can analyze data, identify trends, and even optimize content for SEO. This means your content can rank higher on search engines, driving more traffic to your site. Okay, so let's say you're a fitness coach and you want to create a YouTube video about how to stay motivated to exercise. Let's see how Apryl can help. So we have a prompt here. I'm a fitness coach. I want to create a YouTube content. I'm thinking of a video topic around how to stay motivated to exercise. What keywords should I research to get started? So Apryl's thinking, and she's going to recommend some keywords for you. She gave you 10 keywords to kind of focus on to get started. Is there anything else? We can get her started on some title creation. So let's ask Apryl to craft a SEO-friendly title that includes your keyword. So let's type that. Please create an SEO-friendly title that includes my main keyword. So we're going back to the main title. Since we didn't really pick a main keyword, she like, what are you talking about? You didn't tell me. So unlock your drive, proven strategies for staying motivated to exercise. It could also be 10 proven tips for staying motivated to exercise. So then we can also ask Apryl to craft the video description. So Apryl can craft a compelling video description that includes the main focus. So for example, let's say we go with 10 proven tips to stay motivated. Can you write a compelling video description for this title? 10 proven ways for staying. All right, so we're asking Apryl to write the video description. Are you struggling to keep up with your fitness routine? Need a little push to keep going? You're not alone. Staying motivated to exercise can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. In this video, we're sharing 10 proven ways to keep your motivation high and your fitness goals within reach. We'll dive into practical tips, mindset shifts, and strategies, whether you're a beginner. So Apryl went in on this video description. You can ask her to space it out for a paragraph. She likes to chunk it together to save space in the tool. And then we can move away from the video script and ask it to craft the video description and ask it to craft the video script. See how, so we went from keywords, title assistance, video description, now we're going in with the script. Let me go back to the topic. Now, technically you would have given Apryl a transcript or something to make sure she's writing in your voice, but for this exercise, we'll just say, be sure to write the script in conversational Apryl voice, because Apryl already has a conversational tone. All right, and it's 7 minutes. So we go up here and you'll see that Apryl did a full script, a 7-minute script. Hey fitness fam, are you finding it hard to keep that workout routine going? Don't sweat it, we've all been there. But today we're about to change the game. We're diving into 10 proven ways to stay motivated to exercise. First up, set realistic goals. Don't try to run a marathon on day one. Start small, maybe a 15-minute walk, then gradually increase your time and intensity. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Next, make it fun. Who said exercise has to be boring? Find an activity you love, dance, swim, bike, or even hula hoop. If you enjoy it, you're more likely to stick with it. And then it goes into these tips, 6, 7 tips, I think 8 tips, 9 tips. And then it says, and finally be kind to yourself. Some days will be harder than others. That's okay, don't beat yourself up. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier you. Come on, Apryl. And that's a wrap, folks. Those are our 10 proven ways to stay motivated to exercise. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. So take it one day at a time, and before you know it, you'll be crushing those fitness goals. Until next time, keep it moving and stay motivated. So that is a 7-minute script. So Apryl went from crafting your keywords, crafting your title, crafting your video description, and crafting the script that you can deliver in the video. That's how Apryl can help with SEO content. But here's the thing. While AI is great at crunching numbers and following algorithms and doing all that stuff, it doesn't quite match the human touch. Human copywriters bring emotion, they bring empathy and creativity to the table, elements that AI is still trying to master. So can AI replace human writers? The answer is no, but it's not because it's not capable, but it shouldn't even be asked to. See, when used the right way, AI should complement our work, making us more efficient and effective, all while giving us space and time to be even more creative and thought-provoking than ever before. So what's the final verdict here? AI and human copywriters are a power duo. Together, they can create SEO-friendly content that not only ranks higher, but also resonates with your audience. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI, copywriting, and business, because that's how we gonna get this bread. Again, I'm Apryl Beverly, and until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, you got this.